So here we have the two YouTube channels. So for example, in the My3 News, we have the 1775 subscribers are there. So to increase this YouTube video channel subscribers, we can connect one YouTube to another YouTube. The purpose of two reasons: increase your YouTube video likes and subscriber purpose. That is called, go to particular your channel, click option call is videos. In this one, select the video, which video getting for more views. Select for edit. After edit this option, if you add for other YouTube link for your video, that only possible by your video option. That is called, option call is end screen. In an end screen, we can using for elements will be only 4. Previous element will be 5. They will be showing right now only for 4 elements. In these 4 elements, we are already adding for 3 elements. Yes or no? The 4th element will be called, in this one here, promote subscription to your channel. In this, they can create by other channel. That is called subscription purpose. So for promote other YouTube channel, what is called promote another channel. Means we can promote other YouTube channel. Simply click for create, add your channel name, latest news, click here, then create an element, create an element. Once element was created, the show will be here. Now click for save. Next one, we add one more place, that is called cards. That is called cards. Here select for the add card. Select for the add card. In this option call is promote another channel. In this, select your channel. End screen and cards will be two different. End screen we have only for one option. For cards will adding for two option. Latest news and click here, more information, add to cart. So where you can display this option, simply open this video. Open this video. First one, the showing option call is your card option, where when showing for I, that is called your cards is enabled. So your page was showing here, that is called your ad will be showing here. Just we can call for skip. Here will be showing for I this option. Now select. When click for this, they're going to wait. You can see this one. They're going to for other YouTube channel. So if anybody asking interview, can I promote our channel to other channel? Yes, we can promote for our channel, other channel also. Other channel likes and subscriber increase purpose. Our YouTube likes and subscriber increase for other YouTube video likes and subscriber also will be increase. These are very important. This is called only for end screen and cards.